Today we have with us X10 Pro from Boult Audio. This video is kinda first impression and review after 2 days of usage. And there's a problem. What? Watch till the end. But before that, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Very first, I liked the little unboxing experience while opening the box. Here we got some discount card and here comes the product which we'll keep aside for a moment. And as usual, we got the manual which nobody cares, a Type-C charging cable and some extra pair of ear tips. Now let's talk about the main thing. The case gives a nice feeling while holding because of matte finish and it's not too bulky, which I liked the most. And the earbuds also fits perfectly in ear. Talking about its features, it has 10mm Boom X drivers, Bluetooth 5.3 connectivity, 50 ms low latency for gaming, 45 hours of playtime, quad mic support for better calling and touch controls. The earbuds are light so you won't feel any weight on your ears. The overall sound and song experience is pretty good at this price range. But as I told earlier in this video, there's a problem. My left ear hurts after 5 minutes of usage. I don't know why, because of its design or I am used to my previous TWS. But if it's not comfortable to use, then there's no point in keeping this. And make sure to keep in mind that these opinions are with my personal experience and may vary according to the users. And yeah, I hope you liked and enjoyed this video. I'll meet you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.